You smell like your washing machine left you years ago and took the kids.
Need clean clothes or laundry access? I can help you find a local laundry program or church offering free services.
Whoa, what did you just say?
Your hair's so greasy, seagulls followed you here thinking it was a spill.
If you're out of shampoo or a place to clean up, I'll find nearby hygiene kits or shower facilities.
Excuse me?
You look like you sleep under the concept of a roof.
If housing's unstable, I can help connect you to emergency shelter programs or HUD assistance.
Are you serious right now?
Your shirt's holding on by the strength of a single prayer.
Let me show you where to get free or low-cost clothing in your area.
That's way out of line.
Your life smells like expired bologna left in a sunlit car.
If you need food, I'll help you find food pantries or sign up for EBT/SNAP.
Did I hear that right?
You look like the before picture in a tragedy.
If you're in crisis, I can help you connect with support hotlines or crisis centers.
Wow, that was harsh.
You walk like hope packed its bags and left 2 evictions ago.
I'll help you find local assistance with rent relief, housing stabilization, or rapid rehousing.
You're kidding, right?
You sound like your phone bill's a bedtime story you tell yourself.
Need communication access? There are free government cell phone programs I can link you to.
What's your problem?
Your breath smells like your toothbrush died in 2013.
Let's find a dental outreach van or clinic that does free cleanings and hygiene kits.
That was uncalled for.
You dress like your closet was hit by the Great Depression and never recovered.
I can find a free clothing closet or thrift voucher program near you.
Why would you say that?